everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Time's 160th edition release. Today is the first and only day of her sneaky peeks, and then tomorrow will be the beginning of the release day, sale, and hop. So you will have a chance to hop around on everybody's channels as well as on Instagram, leave a comment, and make sure that you're 18 years old or older for a chance to win a $50 gift certificate for the next following month. And then the sale starts tomorrow at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time and will end on Friday midnight. All right, so starting out, she has this Spring Bunnies Ephemera pack, and it is adorable. And normally she'll give you 4 of each of the designs, and some of the designs I am missing because I've used them in my crafting, but I think it's just a few eggs that I'm missing. And here goes the paper pack that she's releasing this month. It's called Springtime Charm 2026. Really pretty pack, but let me show you a little bit more close. Okay, this paper, this one right here, is my favorite. When I seen that paper, I'm like, be still my heart. I can get a whole pack of this one right here. It is gorgeous to me. I love it. And these almost look like they're, oh, what's the name of that flower? Can't even think of the name of the flower, but I love it. I love it. And then it has a gingham pattern on the back side. And then we have the purple and yellow flowers here with the wood grain on the back side. Love this one too. These small little flowers here, just so pretty. And then polka dots and yellow on the back side. And then this one, really pretty. This is more vintage. I really like that. And then it has a little script on the back side. And then this one looks like daisies. Love it. And then the wood grain on the back side. I love the small patterns that she has on this paper. And then this one here. Love that. And then gingham on the back side of that one. Really cute papers. Okay, and then these are the other items that she's releasing. We have Springtime Wishes, and this is the stamp and die set. So there goes the stamps there. And then we also have the matching dies to go with that. Springtime Wishes, stamp, and dies. Then she has the Flower Petals die plate. And this has, I think, 13 flowers on there. So one swipe, you'll get a ton of flowers. Got a lot to play with. The next up, we have the Scallop Square tag dies. And you'll get 3 in this set. Love this, and this does coordinate with her previous square tag dies, and so they'll all line up perfectly. Love that. And then she also has the crisscross card dies, and you'll see my my card that I made with that, but it can be made 2 different ways. I'm sure the other ladies have made it the other way. And then it also have 7 total dies, so that's really cute. And then she bought out the Gable Heart Treat Box. And that is such an adorable little box. And it has the same pattern on it that she had released last month, almost, for the layers. Just really cute. And then she also brought back the Pretty Egg tag dies. So if you didn't get a chance to pick those up, they will be in the store. Matter of fact, I think they're already in the store. But if you wait till tomorrow, you'll get a bigger discount. Okay, and here are the additional products that I'm using. Not very many, so I won't keep you long there. Anyways, we have the butterfly plate, square box, flower leaf dice plate, the trio cute bow dies. It's the one I'm using this time right here. Hopefully they're back in stock. Or will be tomorrow anyway. Then I'm also using the eyelet belly band, as well as the fancy fold card die, and then the square tags. That's what I'm also using. Okay, and here is what I created with the crisscross card dies. Now I made mine into a pocket, but you can also make this to where it opens up. But like I said, mine is a pocket. These are the flowers that she just came out with, the flower petals die plate. This is how I created these. I created them 2 different ways, but this is this one, and there goes that that leaf plate die that I used. I did add some sparkle on top of everything, including the little lady in the inside. And I just left it kind of blank because I just wanted to focus on how she's popping up out of the card. But this one is, like I said, a pocket. And then you could also put a gift card on the back side of there as well. So it'd be perfect for gift giving. I'm sure you can add different items in the pocket because it does give you enough space. And you can just stuff it as well. So I think that is really good. That would be really good for swaps too. Just gonna put that right back in there. So it goes right back down, but love it. And then there goes those the springtime wishes stamp set that I used. Really cute. Bunny kisses and Easter wishes. Adorable. Love that paper. It is just so cute to me. This is my next selection of items that I created. I used that scallop square tag along with its coordinating pieces. And this time I turned those flowers into roses. And I thought I would add a little baby's breast that I had in my stash and popped it right down in there. And I used that leaf plate die, Happy Spring, for my sentiment. And I did add a little sparkle onto the little bunny along with the little bow in her hair. And I added a little bead on the outside of that tag. And I thought I would create a card to kind of coordinate with it. And this is where I use that belly band, the eyelid belly band. And there goes a couple eggs that you didn't see. And I also used that cute bow dies on there, along with the rose in the center. I love how that turned out. And then the inside, I just left it so that it's plain and can be filled out. But I love how these turned out. They're really cute. And then for the belly band, I also used the medium-sized square tag. That's where I got that pattern from, and I just put that bow on top of there. But really, really cute items. All right, and then I thought I would use another tag, and just to show you how you can also put another one together. I did put a bow up top from the cute bow dies. And then I also put that little bunny on there. He has a little bit of sparkle too. It just looks like he's running through the grass. So that's how I put him. Anyways, springtime greetings is what I used there. And then I thought I would also turn that topper from the crisscross card die. I used that topper. I used it as a topper. And I added a little bunny on there and did a few more roses. Somebody loves you. And then there goes the smaller tags that I used and added some eggs there. Great for gift giving there. So that's how both of those look. Last but not least, we have the GABLE heart box die, and this is adorable. Along with those bunnies, look at that. Look at all that sparkle. Look at all that sparkle. I love adding the sparkle to her ephemera. I also used a gel pen for the cheeks there. So you can always enhance these, but love it. Look at all that sparkle. Anyways, I also added one of the roses that I created out of her flowers, and I put a little butterfly up top. And so it does give you plenty of room to get in there and add some goodies. I love it, love it, love it. There's plenty of room in there. I didn't fill it with anything, but there's definitely plenty of room that you can add quite a bit in there. And it just closes right back up very easily. And I did do the heart layers that she added with that, and it's adorable. I love it. I didn't finish any of the other sides, but I think this is perfect just the way it is. Oh, love it. Oh, and I did double up the bunny, and I added some pop dots in the center. Just really cute. Love that. So adorable. And I hope you have enjoyed what I created for you for this release. Make sure you come back tomorrow for the sell and hop, and leave a comment on each one's posts as well as on Instagram, so that you'll have a chance to win a $50 gift certificate. And remember, the sale starts at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And that's about it. Thanks so much for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.